इतने दिनों बाद जिम आके कैसा लग रहा है?
अपनापन फील हो रहा
क्या फीलिंग है आपका इतने दिनों बाद जिम आके?
है। क्या ब्लॉग कर रही है क्या?
आपको कैसा लग रहा है इतने दिनों बाद जिम आके? बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। और तुमको कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा है।
और आपका आज क्या वर्कआउट है सर?
मिक्स अपर बॉडी।
अब बॉडी है, मेरे को भी वही करवाएंगे?
यस।
ठीक है, मिलके वही करते हैं। सर फुल पावर में वार्म अप चल रहा है आज। From my first day at the gym today, and I actually forgot to shoot an intro because I had to rush. There was like a time limit on working out today, and it was my first day, so it was chaos. It was just everything was all over the place, and I thought I'll shoot the intro later. So yeah, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shilvi, and if you aren't subscribed to my channel yet, please go down and hit the subscribe button, also the bell icon, so that you are notified every time I come up with a new video. My Instagram handle is also linked down in the description box below. You should go follow me there because I'm running this new transformation challenge and I post my updates there, so you'll be able to see what all I do and everything else. And I also train my entire upper body today, so you'll be able to see all the workouts that I did and everything else. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to give this a thumbs up. Let's jump right in.